Hey guys, look what I got here. A tray and canopy solution that's not only practical, it's tough and it's sexy. I encourage you, write down what it is you want. What is the deep truth about what you're looking for in a tray and canopy solution? Is it practical? Is it smart? And is it tough? That's what I found right here with Ocean Road's Canopy. These are built with farmers in mind. These are built by farmers. They rely on their equipment. So it's got to be practical, it's got to be strong, it's got to work, it's got to be dust proof, it's got to be waterproof to protect your tools for your trade. Okay, I'm not a farmer, but I'm a tradesman and I'm a camper and I'm a tourer. This makes perfect sense. All these drawers, I can't fill them. I can't get enough baked beans and enough spaghetti cans to put in these drawers. The runners, they don't use ball bearings or normal runners. They're like a nylon. There's no grease, no oil involved, so dust and sand won't stick to them. If they got dirty, you get the gurney in there, you gurney them out. That's just that practicality of thinking like a tradesman. This is practical, this is smart, bringing that thinking to the off-roading industry. It just makes sense. Now we ran around with this tray for 12 months. We thought we'd put a half canopy. That's by Ocean Roads as well. And the practicality again, it just speaks volumes when you look inside this canopy. This is modular, full modular. Shelving, dividers, cabinets, flat floor. You can customise it. Like I spoke to Damo, I told him exactly what I needed, what I wanted, and he's built me this great little kitchen, like storage solutions in there, on a table for my Weber and my cutlery. All right, absolutely beautiful. There's a solution for every ute out there. I encourage you, think practical, think tough, think smart. oceanroads.com.au